There we go. We're good. It just flew. Oh, it's the leaf. Okay.
So do you know what any of the rules are, Allison?
So they can't know we're coming. So surprise attack. Surprise.
Surprise!
We're here. We would like to eat your food.
Hey, we're back.
We're back.
How's it going?
Good.
Welcome to another episode of Food 411, one of our homegrown series. And right now we are doing cheeseburgers.
Cheeseburgers.
We are at some local restaurants here in Lincoln, taste testing cheeseburgers. And I'm here with Allison Wick from the team.
Hey guys.
Thanks for joining me today.
Of course.
And we are at PressBox here on 56th and Highway 2. So we are going to dig in here. We've got 4 rules with this particular tasting. We're being
6
social
feet.
distancing. Yes.
Social distancing.
Yes.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Yeah.
So do you know what any of the rules are, Allison?
So they can't know we're coming. So surprise attack. Surprise.
Surprise!
We're here. We would like to eat your food. And then they can't like jazz it up. They can't like put some sauces on it or, you know, burger, cheese, and a bun.
Yes.
I did clarify I can eat the bun.
Yes.
I love my
It's
carbs.
okay to have the bun.
Gotta have my carbs.
Yes.
Carbo loading. Is that all of them?
1 bite.
Oh, in 1 bite.
1 bite.
So I can't eat all of it.
And no dipping sauce.
No dipping sauce.
Yeah.
I like it.
And then we'll grade them from 1 to 10 after we're done.
Mm-hmm. And we all know my grading scale. 1 is no thank you. And then 10 is call grandma. She must try this. And then grandma is gonna get up out of her rocker and she's gonna come down here and she's gonna have some. That's my scale. Are we saying no thank you or are we calling grandma?
Is grandma willing to wait in
Is
line?
grandma, I mean,
for the
it is
burger?
hot. We've got to be masked up. We've got to have social distancing. So are we calling grandma or no? That is my scale. Now we understand. Okay.
All right.
I'm good.
See if these are grandma worthy.
Grandma worthy. Ooh, they did throw in fries. I might
Yes.
partake in the fries, but later.
Yeah, I did ask for napkins, but we didn't.
Oh,
get
good.
Those, so.
Oh, well, you know,
Here's
I'll
a
be careful.
close up here.
It looks legit. I mean,
It does. It does. It looks like a very, very juicy burger.
yeah.
That's the first thing I saw when I saw it.
Other than a good drink, this is what bars are for. Like,
Yeah.
bars
a
were
good
made for
cheeseburger.
burgers. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Are we ready?
Yep.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
That's really good.
Yeah. That is not bad. It's not dry. It is juicy. The bun is not stale. That's some good stuff. It tastes old school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some of the burgers we've tasted have been on the more dry side,
Mm-hmm.
and this one is, I don't want to use the M word.
It's juicy.
It's juicy.
We won't use the M
We
word.
won't use the M word.
She's juicy.
Good amount of cheese, good
Mhm.
amount of bun. It's proportioned well.
Yeah.
The meat looks like it's actually meat.
Yeah, it does. It looks like, a burger you'd make to grill on your own grill.
Yeah.
This is a Saturday night burger.
This is really good.
I like it.
Really good.
I like it.
All right. Well, are you ready to rate it?
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
All right. I'll let you go first.
I'm gonna actually give it like a 9, 9.5. The only thing I am downgrading it on is I can full on taste the American cheese. Like, it is definitely American cheese. So I'm knocking points there, and I'm sorry.
You don't like American cheese?
I'll call grandma, but like, I'm gonna say, hey grandma, I'll pick up the burger for you. I'm gonna bring it to you.
You're such a nice
So like
granddaughter.
9, 9.5.
Okay.
That's where we're
fair
at with
enough,
me.
Fair enough. I'm gonna go with 8.5 and 9/9 because I feel like it's nearly gonna be impossible to get up to that 9.5, 10 mark. So you wanna settle in the middle at a 9?
I like it.
All
I like
right.
a 9. Yeah.
All right.
Worth coming out for, guys.
Official score is 9
Yeah.
at PressBox. So thanks for joining us today. Thank you, Allison. And don't forget to catch us on homegrown.lincoln on Facebook and Instagram for more fun, food, and giveaways.
Bye, guys.
Bye.